Hi, I'm Liz. Welcome to the Isle of Smile. I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Mubbles card, and you can turn it into a thank you card or a happy birthday card, or it could just be a little standee like that. Just look cute on your desk. Right, all you're going to need is some thin white card, something to colour with, some scissors and some tape. That's it, just a little bit of time. Okay, let's get drawing. Got my card. I've already penciled out a little drawing, so I'm going to go straight to pen. So what you want to do is use the bottom of the card there. Just take your pencil, draw out your character. So I'm going to draw Pop and Berry, and I'm going to give them speech bubbles. And the speech bubbles are the thing you can either turn into a birthday card or a thank you card or just anything you want really. So let's start off at the top there. 1, 2, 3. This one's Pop. So Pop's going to be holding a little present. So it could be a birthday card. Like that. One big eye, one small eye, and a smiley face. Pop has one tooth. And draw feet like that, another one down here, and then it's going to give a little speech bubble there. A few spots. See, I mean, you could use the whole of the card to make different ones. We're just going to do 2 for now. And then let's draw Berry. 1, 2, 3. And 2 little. There we are. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And Berry, I'm just going to let Berry hold a little flower. Go. And then you just do one eye like that, little nose, smiley mouth, 2 teeth, and another speech bubble. So this one I'm going to say thank you, and this one happy birthday. Really, you could write anything you want though. Right, so I've drawn them out. Now I'm going to colour them in. So if you've got a pencil line there still, you can rub the pencil out. Keep a tidy desk. Do my best. Actually, that's so not true. I'm really messy. Right, so I've drawn those 2 and I'm just going to colour them in. Let's colour Berry in red. Leave a few white spots though. Just a little flower. Once I've done that, I'm going to cut them out. Save this bit at the top there. And you'll see why in a minute. I'm just going to cut that and put that to one side. And then cut this one out. It's a little tip. You want to cut round things, cut them out first and then cut round it like that. It's much easier to do than cutting with a great big piece of paper. And also I'm going to show you another tip too. So if you want to make lots of cards, you've cut your shape out, you could just put that one down and then you draw around it. And then you've got another one all ready to go. But just for now, put that to one side. Let's cut out this one as well. There we go. So we've got little standees now, and I'm going to use this bit just to stick on the back as the bit of card. So let's just take a little bit of card like that. I think that'll be about right. And that's for the other bit. You've got some sticky tape. Cut yourself off a piece. On the back. And you just want it to be able to, so I'm just going to stick that on the back like that. Trim that off. Do the same for the other one. Might not be long enough, that one, let's see. Trim that off. See, and there you have it. Little happy birthday, thank you. You can write whatever message in you want. Write your message on the back, pop them in an envelope, and there you have a couple of really cute cards. I mean, look how cute they are. So you do happy birthday, thank you, just a nice message. There you have it. Have fun.